What's up, everybody? What's going on? Another day, another big one. What a start to the month of May. My God, 3 days in a row, guys. Big time trades, big time action, big time follow through, big time volatility. Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. If you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to not only the right place, but the place. Ladies and gentlemen, take a moment, subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and share this stream on your own social media. We're live right now on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. Welcome everyone joining us on those different media platforms. True Trading Group is the fastest growing, highest rated, premium online trading educational platform and community where we all share the same goal, and that is to learn, trade, and profit together 6 nights a week right here. Sunday through Friday, we go live for free. Where myself, other pro trader moderators, and special guests will drop golden nuggets of information and free lessons that are going to help you to become a better trader. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. And along with my team of 6 other pro traders, we cover all different styles of trading, including day trading, swing trading, options, advanced option strategies, shorting, long-term investing. There's literally something in True Trading Group for everybody, regardless of your trading style or your level of experience. Now, guys, I started my career in 2007, all right? Right out of college, my very first job, working for a fund in New York City. 2008 happened, the Great Recession, the housing market crisis, all that craziness, right? Markets crashed. In 2008, I actually went on to receive one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. But before they let me touch even $1 of their money, I first had to go through an educational training program that set me on the path to become the trader that I am today. I did not figure this stuff out on my own. I was taught by other traders with far more experience and with far more success than I ever had. Okay, that is how I learned how to trade. I have to figure things out on YouTube all by myself. Okay, I have since taken that education that I received, I've simplified it, and I've paired it with the top trading tools available today, and I've made it all available on the TeachD platform for my TeachD members. Okay, guys, for those of you that are brand new, okay, you are about to get a crash course in what it means to trade for real. True Trading Group is the truth. I'm never going to blow smoke up your ass. You guys are going to get it straight from me at all times. There's no BS here. Stick around for a while. You guys are going to learn something. I guarantee it. Now, this live stream is going to start off as follows. We're going to kick things off with a quick 15-minute Q&A. Okay, you guys are going to have to type your questions right in chat. Okay, this is your chance to ask me questions. I'm going to give some time for people to log on, give some time for people to join us on the stream, because I have some really great lessons that I want to talk to you guys all about. Okay, before we go any further, though, I want to know if this is your first TTG live stream, or if you're not a member of True Trading Group, I want you to type the letter I in chat right now. All right, we got Yusuf, we got Milky Way, Katie, Damin, David, Shaka Ford, Money, John, Eduardo Gonzalez, Swaroop, Yvonne, Da Darlene, Tim McClure, Tanya Shaver, Lexus Texer. We got Damin. Stephen Petty, Michael Batts. We got Eric Weed, Pat Hackworth, Steve Goetz. We got a lot of new people here, guys. Bala Balin. Really awesome, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Awesome. Nice. We have a lot of new members here with us today, guys. We have a lot of new faces. I like it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. Of course, like I said, smash that like button, guys. All right. So like I said, you guys stick around for a while. You're going to learn something. You're about to get a crash course of what it means to be trading for real. All right, so we're going to do that. We're going to start that 15-minute Q&A. Then we're going to get into the daily recap. What happened in the markets today? Kind of what were some of the headline news that was going around that was moving around markets? We're going to talk about the daily recap, and then we're going to break down my trades today. All right, my trades today, they are big ones. We've got Peloton. We've got RHE and we've got NMRD. 3 for 3 today, guys. Big ones across the board. Another big day. We're starting the month. We're starting the month of May off red hot. Okay. The action in the chat room so far these first 3 days of May have been insane. And it's not just my trades. Our other moderators are ripping things to shreds right now. Jay Downing with a short on Lyft. You've got Glenny ripping apart Cleveland Cliffs and Devon Energy, the Wolf on fire with U.S. Steel and the cannabis stocks. I mean, there's just so much going on in chat right now that me and the other moderators in chat, we are red hot. Guys, we are red hot right now to start the month of May. You got to make sure you get your butts in chat and be there with us trading alongside as we look to round off the week strong. Start of the week strong. We're going to look to finish the week even stronger. All right. So I'm going to break down all of my trades today with one very particular lesson from the day that we're going to talk about. And that, folks, is how to properly set your stop loss. And when I say how to properly set your stop loss, I'm talking about stop loss placement. Where do your stop losses go? Okay. That is what we're going to be talking about here on this live stream. If you're one of those people that continuously gets stopped out of trades and then watches the stock go higher without them, this live stream is going to be for you specifically. So we're going to talk about how to identify the proper place to put your stop loss. All right, let's get things started here today, guys. Start typing your questions right in chat right now, and let's go ahead and begin that Q&A session. I got to type your questions right in chat. Then Adam's going to grab them. He's going to throw them up on the screen for me to answer. Adam is the man behind the curtain. How do you know to pull the trigger on a day trade while under the PTT rule? Well, Josh Martin, you got to wait for those A+ setups, man. The way that you know that it's, the way that you pull the trigger is you've got to look at the quality of the setup. So what you learn in True Trading Group is I will show you guys how to identify an A quality setup versus a B versus a C. An A quality setup is going to work itself out maybe 70-75% of the time. A B quality setup, 60-65%. A C quality setup, so 50-50 coin flip. You want to have the patience to wait for those A quality setups so that you know that this is that there's the chart setups that you can go after. They don't get any better than this. There's no chart setup that's going to work 100% of the time. Doesn't exist. Stop looking for it. So all you can do is wait to be patient enough to identify the A quality setups, okay, that are going to give you the best chance of profiting from that trade, and just be patient enough to wait for them. I call it be a sniper, not a machine gunner. I teach all my teaching members to be snipers. Wait for the perfect shot and then take it. Don't go and take a shot at every single thing that you see, because you're going to end up missing more than you end up hitting. Take your time, wait for the perfect shot. And once you understand how to use technical indicators in conjunction with one another, meaning how does one technical indicator work when you pair it with another, that's what professional technical analysis is all about. And that's how you'll be able to start to identify A, B, C quality setups, and then have the patience to wait for the A ones. How are you able to find RHE this morning? RHE this morning popped up, guys, in the scan. It was on the higher day scan. It was on our trade idea scanner, and it was on the volume scan. So that thing just opened up, shot right up through the prior day's high. The thing was shooting up off on the scanners for higher day and volume. And that's how we were able to identify RHE. It's also something that has been on the watch list for the last 2 days. So something that we were always paying attention to begin with. Is Dogecoin a good investment? I don't think it's a good investment. I think it's a good trade. If it's a good investment is yet to be seen. The reason why I don't think it's a good investment is because the float on Dogecoin will constantly be increasing. It's not like Bitcoin, where Bitcoin, there's a finite number of Bitcoin. So I don't think Dogecoin is going to be a good investment. I think it's a great trade. But if it's a good investment, that's yet to be seen. Is the program 1 year? Yes, Katie. Our membership is for 1 year. The reason why our membership is for 1 year, we also offer lifetime memberships, but that's only for current members. You cannot buy a lifetime membership if you're not yet a member of True Trading Group. Our spots are very limited for that, and we reserve them for current members only. But the reason why our membership is a year is because 1 month, like let's say like, okay, a 1 month option. We don't have like monthly memberships because 1 month is not enough time for you to go through all of our courses, pass the quizzes, go through the video library, attend a private study group, okay, practice on the simulator. 1 month is not enough time for you to do all of those things and figure out if True Trading Group is for you. That's reason number one. Reason number two, myself and the other moderators, we give you 110% of our time, energy, and effort. We are in chat with you all day long. We're not gone at 11 a.m. and you're left to fend for yourself. We're there for the entire day in the trenches, trading with you, calling out opportunities, answering questions. We are doing live workshops and webinars every single week. We do workshops and webinars during the week. We do them on weekends. We give you guys 110% of our time, energy, and effort. And if we're going to do that, you better be willing to give me that same energy back. So that's why we only have just the 1 year membership plans. And it's all inclusive. You pay one price for the whole year. You get access to everything we have. There's no upsell. There's no add-on. You never pay another dollar. You pay one price for the year. You get access to everything we have. How can I trade when I work full-time? Kat, very, 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 very simple. Okay. First, allow me to do this. How many of my TGD family members right now are making money with True Trading Group while working a full-time job? I want you guys to sound off in chat right now. Type the letter I in chat if you work a full-time job and are a member of True Trading Group making money. Type the letter I in chat right now. Kat and anybody else that is wondering this same question, I want you to pay attention to all of these letter I's that are coming through the side of the chat right now, because these are TTG members that work full-time jobs and are making money with True Trading Group. Now, you might be wondering how. Couple of reasons. First, our mobile app. We have a mobile app that's downloadable on iPhone and Android that allows you to stay connected to the chat room, see the screen share, because our moderators, we all share our screen with you during the day so you see what we see. Listen to the audio analysis. We're all on the microphone talking to you live throughout the day. Okay. Then you also get real-time push notifications when a moderator enters or exits a trade, right, in real time. So using that mobile app allows all of our members to stay focused during the day and take advantage of all of the opportunities that we find, even though they're not in front of their computer, or maybe they're distracted, or maybe they're at work, or whatever it is. That mobile app allows them to do that. The other reason that members are able to do so well while working a full-time job is because they're learning various trading styles. I'm not a scalper. Okay. I'm not someone that buys a stock and sells it 40 seconds later. I'm a traditional day trader that also swing trades, which means my trades last anywhere from several minutes to several hours long. My swing trades can last anywhere from, 2 days to 2 weeks. Okay. But we have other moderators in chat. It's not just me. Okay. It's not just me. There are other moderators in chat. Yo, Mike mentioned this in chat, but thanks for the notification. Sold my puts for 170% gain on Peloton. I'm at work, saw the alert, and damn near bottom ticked that thing. Yes. Yes, Rhino. Hell yeah, man. Great job. Great job, bro. Really great job. I use the Kindle to stay in chat and phone to trade until I get a non-work laptop. There you go, Marco. Use that free gift, man. Those free Kindles, those are for you guys. Awesome. I love it. So you see how that you're getting like people that are working full-time jobs, okay, that are still able to benefit from the membership of the trading group. But like I said, there's other moderators in chat. It's not just me. That implement swing trading strategies that, if you're someone that really doesn't have the time, you can learn how to buy a stock today, sell it a couple of days later. And all the different moderators have different styles and strategies that you can learn from. You have access to all of these moderators, and you guys can learn these different trading styles. That's how so many of our members are able to take advantage while working full-time jobs. Can you explain the difference between an ask and a bid? The bid is on the left side of level 2. That shows you all of the buy orders that are in the market. An ask is on the right side of level 2. That shows you all the sell orders that are in the market. So bids are buy orders, asks are sell orders. Mike, I sent you a message yesterday. I had a terrible day after a great April. I stayed focused today and had a 6 for 6 and bring back half of yesterday's losses. Avi, great job, man. Really great job. Way to hang in there, brother. Way to hang in there. Way to hang in there. 220% for me with your Peloton swing while working in construction. Yes! Yes! 220% gain on those options. Yes! Guys, so we shorted Peloton on April 23rd. I gave members options that if they wanted to follow. I shorted the stock. If they wanted to follow on the option, I told them that they could have gone after the May 21st expiration $100 strike put option. Members got in them at like $7, $7.50 a contract. Those things went to $20 today. Members absolutely crushed it. Crushed it. Really great job. I'm going to recap all that for you guys. Don't worry. We're going to get into the Peloton trade. Don't worry about it. It was a huge one for TGG members today. Mike, I found myself having lost my confidence after losing AK before I joined TGG. Now I jump into trades, but I'm scared to use the tier method after losing a couple of weeks ago. Any advice? Yes, David, follow this, my friend. This should help you. You have a fear of losing. That's what happened. PTSD from trading is a real thing. Okay. You got your shell shock from that AK loss before you joined True Trading Group. What you're going to want to do and implement now, this is a little trick that I tell members to do to help them break this fear of losing. Okay. The tier method, right, teaches you that you're going to sell 25% of your position when you get to profit target 1. Okay. What I want you to do, David, is when the stock gets to profit target number 1, you sell 25% of your position. At that moment, I want you to immediately move your stop loss up to break even. Now, the idea here, the concept is that by moving your stop loss up to break even, after you've taken your first profit off the table, you now can no longer lose on the trade. No matter what happens, if the trade completely fails, you get stopped out, you're either break even or you're at a small profit. You can't lose. Your problem is you have a fear of losing. So let's remove that possibility completely. And my thoughts are that once we do this, hopefully you will be more calm in your trades now because you know that you can't lose on them. Understand there is a negative to this. You're prematurely moving your stop loss up. So be prepared to get stopped out sometimes and the stock goes higher without you. But we're willing to sacrifice that in order for you to be able to break this fear of losing. Okay. We're able to do we've got to get you to break this fear of losing. In order to do that, you have to experience what it feels like to be on the other side. Okay. You sell so quickly because you don't know what it feels like to be in a trade for an hour. You don't know what it feels like to catch a move, hold during the pullback, and then catch the second move. We've got to get you to experience that. The only way you're going to overcome that fear is to actually be in it. It's like a little kid at the town pool that is like scared to go and jump off like the diving board or the diving platform. They're scared to do it, right? So they walk out there, they're like 10 feet up. They're scared to do it. All right. Well, the only way to get you to actually get over that fear is for you to experience how much fun it is when you actually hit that water. We have to get you to experience what it's like to be in these trades longer. That's the only way that you're going to do it. So try doing this, try this technique. It's something that I've done with a lot of my TGT members and it has worked for a lot of them. Try it. Let me know how it goes. Let me ask you, David, be honest. Be honest. If you were a member prior do you think that you would have lost the 8K? Like if you joined True Trading Group before you lost the 8K, do you think you still would have lost it? I'm just curious. If like what some of the stuff, if like you lost that 8K because you didn't know certain things that you now know as a member of True Trading Group, I'm curious. Yeah, he says no way. He says no way. For all of you that are out there right now that are considering joining True Trading Group, you have to just think about simple things that you could implement in your trading as far as risk management, proper position sizing, quality setup, just some of these things. Never mind helping you make money. The amount of money that a proper education can save you from like these silly mistakes and bag holding. I guarantee every single one of you right now that's watching this live stream that's not a member of True Trading Group, I guarantee if you open up your brokerage account right now, there's at least 1, 2, 3, 4 bags that you're holding. And if you add them all up together, it's more than a membership to True Trading Group. So you're rather sitting there holding those bags when if you were a member of True Trading Group, we could have prevented you from holding those in the first place. That's what you have to also think about for those of you that are considering joining. Look at David. The amount of money that just a proper education could save you, never mind even actually make you. What really sets you apart from other trading gurus? First of all, I'm not a trading guru. I don't call myself a trading guru. That's first and foremost. I'm a professional trader that's traded on Wall Street and has gotten a real education. The thing that separates me from the rest of the people that are out there is first, I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I'm one of the few people that I know of that has something that has actually traded professionally on Wall Street that has worked at another firm. Okay. And I was taught by those traders how to trade. Okay. So that's one of the things right there that I think separates me. And I don't consider myself a guru. Okay. I don't like that word. But the other thing too also is that I truly give a shit if my members succeed or fail. All my teaching members, you can all verify that I'm saying this. Everyone, if you're a member to Trading Group, you can all comment. Do you think that I care if you succeed or fail? You guys can all comment in chat right now. Cody, I would encourage you to read some of the comments that are going to come through chat right now, because I do every single thing in my power to help, and not just me, all the Teachy family, to make sure that our members get the help, the mentorship, the education, and the content and the tools and resources that they need in order to become successful traders. Okay. You're not just a number. Once you sign up, you don't just never hear from us again. That's when our relationship begins. When you join the THD family, there's a reason why I say family, because that is just the start of our relationship. It's not, oh, we have your money now, good luck. Okay. There's a lot of different things and parts of our platform that you have access to that can help you and guide you along the way. So I would encourage you just to read some of the comments coming through chat right now. Dana Scavidi, great question. Dana, I did get your email, by the way. I will be responding to you. When you have a small account and can only afford one contract, what tier do you recommend selling at? Tier number 2. All right, Dana, tier number 2. Second day member, 3 for 3, very good trades. Way to go, Matt. Way to go, Matt. Welcome to the family, bro. Second day as a member, already 3 for 3. Great job. How much does the membership cost? Okay. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys kind of about the membership, guys. Listen, our membership, guys, we've been working on True Trading Group since, Adam and I came up with the idea in 2014. We launched the beta version, like a private beta version, end of 2016, live to the public, beginning of 2017. We've been building this thing out ever since. We literally spend like 12, 15 hours a day, on our THD family members and making this platform as great as we can for our members. So TTG is a platform. It is not just a trade alert service. You must understand that. Our members get access to a 15-course curriculum, the entire curriculum. You get access to, and that includes like beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, how to trade in a down market, how to even do your taxes. All that is in text and video format, whichever is easier for you guys to learn. There's no like special VIP courses that cost more money. You get access to everything we have when you guys join. You also get access to Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. That's a game changer. Seriously. If you want to be an active trader, you need access to news quickly. And right inside of our chat room is the Benzinga Pro newsfeed. It gives you live breaking to the second news alerts right in chat. There's even a squawk box feature that lets you listen on your speakers as someone reads news headlines out loud to you. You get real-time level 1, full book level 2, options data. You get Trading Views Pro Plus charting software. You get Trade Ideas scanner that's streamed to members. You get ETNA's trading simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money. Access to our chat room, which is honestly unlike anything that you've ever experienced before. It's not on Telegram. It's not on WhatsApp. It's not on Discord. It's a proprietary chatting platform that it's amazing. Ask our members. We'll tell you how incredible our chat platform is. Within that chat, we trade live all day. You know, we're not there for 2 hours and you're left to fend for yourself. We're there all day long. And collectively, between me and the other moderators that call out trades, we've got about an 83% win rate right now. We're trading very, very well. Very proud of the performance that we're seeing from all of our moderators right now. You guys have access to all of us. We don't charge you more to talk to us. We don't charge you more to ask questions. We do those live workshops every single week. We do one-on-ones. We do small private study groups. Okay, we're going to be launching a new crypto course with a new crypto mod being introduced soon. We go above and beyond for our people, guys. We also give away hundreds of thousands of dollars in cash and prizes. Every time we get 300 new members, we raffle off a Tesla or $30,000 to our members. All you got to do is be a member to Trading Group, and your name will be you can register for the giveaway, and your name will be included in that giveaway just for being a member. That's it. You know, nobody's taken the car yet, by the way. Every time we've done the Tesla 30K giveaway, they've only taken the 30K every single time. Every single time. Okay. We also said that we grabbed 100 Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablets. We're now down to 33. Okay. We're down to 33 of those Kindles. Once they're gone, I don't know when we're going to get more. So I would take advantage, because anyone that signs up with coupon code TTG121 will get a free Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablet. We'll even cover the shipping, but there's only 33 of them left. So the next 33 people are going to get that free Amazon Kindle. So I wouldn't waste any more time, guys. That coupon code gets you a 40% discount. So make sure you enter coupon code TTG121. Okay, click apply code, and that'll bring the price of a membership all the way down to $1,312. Our membership is usually $2,212. Okay, but with that coupon code, you can bring it all the way down to $1,312. All right, and you'll get the free Amazon Kindle. That's for the whole year. Okay, you'll never pay another dollar after that for the year. You get access to everything we have. There's no upsells. Okay, now you might be saying, like, well, why? Why do we do all this? Why do we have this platform? Why do we do all these giveaways? Why do we give you guys a free Kindle? Like, why do we do these workshops and one-on-ones and study groups? And why do we do all of these things? Nobody else does or offers these type of things with their membership like we do. Why do we do this? In order for me to answer that question, I'm actually going to flip the script. I'm going to ask you a question. How many people on this live stream have been part of another group where you got courses, a chat room, whatever, the usual stuff, and you were promised the world only to sign up and then be upsold constantly on some other service or product, be nickel and dime the whole way, and feel like you're always just a couple $1,000s more away from success? And you're just like, as long as you were just whatever you were promised something, as long as you just keep buying this, that eventually money will come and success will come. If that's happened to you, I want you to type the number 1 in chat right now. I want you to type the number 1 in chat right now if that has happened to you. Look at all these number 1s. Look at all these number 1s, man. It's crazy. It's so frustrating. Honestly, for all of you typing number 1, I'm really sorry. I really, truly am that you got caught in a sales funnel. That's what happened. You got caught in a sales funnel and you learned nothing along the way. Somebody took advantage of your desire to learn how to do this. And I'm sorry that that's happened to you, but that's why we do this. TTG is a business. It's a business that operates in a space with one of the worst reputations, and for good reason. This industry is filled with a lot of people that'll do and say anything in order to get you to pay something and then push you to pay more for something else and more for something else until you have nothing left to pay. And then throughout that whole process, you've learned nothing and have nothing to show for it. My partner, Adam, and I have decided a long time ago, guys, that in order for True Trading Group to be more than just a group, we needed to come into this industry and just disrupt everything. Okay. We live, breathe, eat, sleep this stuff for our teaching members. And yes, that includes even after you sign up and give us your membership fee. The members you guys all see in chat right now, they're not paid to be here. They support us because they're doing well. They're getting education. They're making money. They're becoming better traders. They recognize our passion and we're part of a family. So they show us support. We support them. They support us. Okay. I told you our price of our membership is normally $2,212, but you can get a 40% discount up until midnight tonight. That brings the price down to just $1,312. Okay. Use coupon code TGD121. The price is going up at midnight and will continue to go up every single day here moving forward. You guys need to understand, okay, your worth. And we know ours with everything that we offer. It's a hell of a lot more than $1,300. We have one price for the whole year. You get access to everything we have. We're like the Netflix of trading communities. We will be moving our price to $2,500 for the year. Okay. Yes, we're going to have some sales that are, $2,000, $2,250. All right. We also will have a price match guarantee. So if let's say you pay $2,500 and then we have a sale for $2,000, you'll get a $500 credit for your membership to renew for the following year. Okay. We guys, $2,500 is a fair price for everything that we offer, but we're not going to move up to $2,500 overnight. We're going to go there little by little each day. So up until midnight tonight, you get every single thing we offer, everything I've said to you, plus a free Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablet. You can get all that for a 40% discount, which brings it down to $1,312. But then at midnight, the price goes up. And midnight after that, the price goes up again as we walk our price up to $2,500. All right. We also offer a money back guarantee for anyone that's interested. Okay. I'm so confident that this can and will work for you if you're willing to put in a little bit of energy and effort. 82% of our members have gone on to become profitable traders. Okay. That's why I'm so confident in giving you a money back guarantee. Not many people else out there would ever even dream about offering a money back guarantee because they know that their members do not succeed. If you are willing to go through all of our courses, pass the quizzes, and attend a private study group, if you do those three things and still don't make your membership fee back, so if you do those three things and don't make $1,312 back at least one time through your membership, I'll give you all your money back. I'm dead serious. I'll give you a full refund. Because if you try and you try to learn this material and you fail, that means I failed you. My education, my platform, everything failed. I failed you. So I'll give you your money back. You just have to be willing to try. That's how confident I am that with a little effort, this can work for you. That's why I'm willing to offer you the money back guarantee. All right. So guys, use coupon code TTG121, get a 40% discount and get yourself a free Amazon Kindle while supplies still last. All right. Can I learn TTG at my own pace? Another question from Cody Lee. Absolutely, Cody. Absolutely, man. We walk you through the platform. We'll walk you through the platform later as well. So you see what we have, what you get as a member. I'll show you guys the platform, but you go through the courses at your own pace. You have access to the courses, 24/7, literally. You can go back through them 100 times if you want to. We have some members that have finished the courses in a 3-day weekend. We have others it takes 2 weeks. We have others it took 3 months and everything in between. You take your time, you go through the courses at your own pace, and that's why we have the simulator. Trade on the simulator until you're finished with the courses and you're confident enough and you're ready to start trading with real money. All right. Okay, guys. So that just about wraps up our little Q&A session. I want to move on here now real quick, guys. I want to get into the daily market recap. I want to get to the market recap. I've got a presentation that we put together for you. You can all download this presentation. Okay, you can all download this. There's a link in the description below that you guys can click and get a downloadable PDF. Okay, on the presentation we're going to go through here, just recapping what happened in the markets today. So for that, let me share my screen. All right, and let's get right into it, guys. All right, so let's talk about what happened here today. All right, the stock markets bounced following Yellen walking back the inflationary comments that she made yesterday. So Janet Yellen sent the markets diving yesterday because she said that she thought we were going to have to raise rates to stage off a red hot economic recovery coming out of the pandemic. Market sold off yesterday, and then she was like, "Oh wait, well, I'm not saying that. I wasn't recommending that we raise rates. I wasn't making a suggestion. I was just kind of saying, tried to walk back those statements, and the markets bounce back." Just like that, the markets bounce back as soon as she walks back her statements. Inside day for some tech stocks, NASDAQ and the XLK tech ETF did close slightly red. They were the weakest of the bunch. Well, energy, healthcare, material, financials, industrials led the bullish momentum here today. Economic data is strong, but the U.S. service sector activity unexpectedly cooled in April after rising in March. Supply chain disruptions and price pressures weighing on economic expansion. You've had a lot of supply chain disruptions during COVID, a lot of factory shutdowns. Okay, now you add on the inflationary pressures and the price that's sending, material costs increasing. All of these things are starting to weigh a little bit on that economic expansion. ISM April PMI came in at 62.7 versus 63.7 in March. That's a full point lower. Expectations were for an increase to 64.1. All right, so that we were a full point lower, even though we were expected to be a half point higher. All right, so that's a pretty big miss. Rule of thumb, any reading above 50 indicates expansion in a sector. So it's by itself on a standalone, 62.7 is a good number for ISM. But when you compare it to the previous month and it's a decrease versus it was expected to be an increase, it just shows some of those pressures that are coming through with the supply chain disruptions and the inflationary pressures you're seeing on prices. Okay. Survey respondents suggested pricing pressure for goods and services in the market is present right now, obviously. Right? We have inflation. That's not anything new. And you're seeing that across the boards in goods and services. Okay. Value stocks continue to perform. Mentions of inflation are now up 800% on earnings calls. Okay. So if anyone is in denial that inflation is here, wake up and smell the coffee. Okay. Or maybe check the price of coffee or check the price of lumber or copper or steel, and you'll be quite unhappy when you see the price increase in a lot of these different commodities. Dow was a top performer, extending to new record highs, which is always nice. That gives you the value stocks. Okay. Should long-term portfolios start taking cues and find value stock, or is growth okay right now? Okay. I've been saying now for about a year that I thought that value stocks were going to outperform growth. I positioned myself for that. And so far in 2021, that's exactly what has taken place. Some of your best industries, some of your best sectors have been energy, financials, some healthcare, far outperforming the tech sector as a whole. And I think that trend continues going into the second half of this year. Top stories of the day: the rotation trade in full effect. Inflationary caution remained a sticking point of the market. Yellen's walk back of the inflationary concerns from Tuesday. You had the Chicago Fed President Charles Evans reiterated he was actually worried about not being able to reach the Fed's 2% inflation goal. And he said he expects monetary policy to remain on hold for some time. That's crazy for me to hear. That you don't think we're going to get to 2%. That's nuts. Okay. I think we're going to get to 3, never mind 2. But this is right in line with Fed Chair Jerome Powell, with everything he's been saying for the last 5 or 6 times that he's been speaking publicly. ADP data was strong, but private employers in April added the most jobs in 7 months, which were led by reopening industries, obviously leisure, hospitality, trade, and transportation, all those industries that were shut down in the very beginning and stayed shut the most. You're starting to see things open back up and rehiring going on in those sectors. Company payrolls increased. Okay. Company payrolls increased real nice, but economists surveyed by Bloomberg expected actually an increase of 850,000. We only got the 742. So again, standalone, the number looks very strong, but we did miss expectations. I think those expectations were a little out of whack. I think that's still a strong number. Vaccine IP. This is wild. I don't get this. President Biden's plan to back the WTO waiver for vaccine intellectual property, which means that they're going to be sharing patents with others. So basically, you saw NVAX, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, Moderna, they all got smoked today because they're basically going to say that any vaccine patent, irrelevant, gone, don't exist anymore. So all that IP is no company that has developed that IP is going to be able to keep it safe and sacred for themselves. So it'll be shared with other companies around the world. Okay. So that's why all of those companies took a hit. Okay. What do we have left going on here this week? We still have a lot of earnings coming up. Okay. Tomorrow you got Anheuser-Busch, you got Expedia, Blue Apron, Dropbox, Beyond Meat. We got Fiverr, we got Monster Beverage, Plug Power, Cloudflare, you got Penn Gaming, Sunoco, Papa John's, Regeneron, Yelp, Moderna, GoPro. You got a lot going on Thursday. Friday, we finish off with companies like DraftKings, Kronos, and Nikola. All right. Economic data tomorrow, initial jobless claims, productivity and costs. Friday, payrolls, unemployment data, wholesale and consumer credit. Another big day for crypto and small caps, guys. Bitcoin back over 57K. Ethereum, new record highs again. Doge actually briefly tested 70 cents. Where do we go from here? Should we expect to pull back, or are these the new levels? Yet to be seen. I think at this point, Doge probably gets to $1 just because everyone is saying it's going to get to $1. And Doge only trades on sentiment. It's insane. So you have to see what happens there. Keep an eye on that one. Another day where small caps were mixed, but individual small caps performing extremely well. Small cap market is back, ladies and gentlemen. We have now seen multiple days in a row of massive follow through and continuation in small caps. All you need to do is take a look at RHE today, NMRD, PRPO, COCP, MVIS, OCGN. The list goes on and on and on and on and on over the last week of small caps giving you follow through. Okay. BTX. All you got to do is look at any one of those stocks over the last week and you're like, whoa. And we have been hitting them out of the park. Another monster day in small caps today for us. We smashed RHE, 34% gain. We smashed NMRD for a 19% gain. I mean, guys, we have just been ripping and this comes after we nailed COCP yesterday. And RHE and OCGN and ISNS on Monday. Okay? Like, you guys got to get your butts in chat here, man. I mean, this action is sick. Guys, my TTG fam, are you guys making money right now, trading group? If you are a member of TTG and you are making money, sound off in chat right now. Tell me what that looks like. If you're making money with True Trading Group, tell me what that looks like. Sound off in chat right now. Guys, I'm telling you, things are hot right now, man. Things are hot. You got large caps that are making moves. You got, companies like Tesla, Roku, Boeing, Peloton. These stocks are making huge moves. Look at Gains. Gains SFI, my biggest day since joining was today. Feels so good to be getting paid to learn. Look at all this, $1,500 today for Lucy Liu. Chad made 19% on NMRD. Richard Politano goes, yes, big money. Racy, green. Allen, $1,200. $2K on Peloton, says Micus. 4 for 4 today for David. Mona Reed is 2 weeks in, okay? and has just had two green days in a row. 61% gain on Peloton puts for Eric. You got Jocko crushed Glenny's last two trades, made $8,800. Made 2K today. Jessica Woodard, great job. Great job, Jessica. Big day. Great job. Zeus, 40% on X calls, 35% on SPY puts. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. All right. Like, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Like, we're hot right now. Robert Holder, 2 green days in a row. Like, things in chat right now are fire. So you guys got to get your butts in chat. All right. You can download, like I said, guys, that presentation. You guys can download that. There's a link in the description below that is there for you. All right. That is there for you. All right. Guys, also, don't forget, May 22nd. Okay. May 22nd. Okay. Trader Palooza. Mark it on your calendars. Trader Palooza is an all-day virtual trading workshop where myself and the other moderators conduct 1-hour workshops for 12 hours straight, covering various trading topics. Okay. So we'll send out an itinerary. You guys can schedule your day around which events you want to attend. You just log into the event and log out based on the workshops that you want to attend. It's an all-day event. It's a 12-hour event on Saturday, May 22nd. I guarantee you will learn more in this one Trader Palooza than you have in the entire last year trading on your own. Okay? My TTG fam, how much does it cost to attend a Trader Palooza? For you guys, my TTG members, how much does it cost to attend the Trader Palooza? If you're a member of True Trading Group, how much does it cost you? Look at that. Well, I'll be damned. Free, nothing, zero, zero, nada, zero, free, zero, zero, free, zero, free, zero, nada, free, zero, nada, zero. Okay, guys, Trader Palooza is totally included.
Don't dance like that.
I'm gonna dance. I'll get up.
You're embarrassing. You're embarrassing me.
I'll dance my ass off if I want to.
Just stick to the script.
I'll dance off if I want to. Nobody puts baby in the corner. I'll dance. Don't make me do it. I digress. Guys, it's free. Okay, Trader Palooza is totally free for my members. It is a members-only event. You're not a member of True Trading Group. I'm sorry, you cannot attend. Guys, honestly, Trader Palooza is worth a membership in its own. You will learn more in this session than you will in the entire last year trying to figure this stuff out on your own. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. Set your reminders. Okay, make sure you guys are ready to attend. If you're not a member of True Trading Group, your cost of admission is $1,312. That's the cost of a membership for you here today. You must be a member in order to attend. Use coupon code TTD121. You must apply that code. Okay, the price will not drop to $13.12 automatically. You must apply that code. That code is for you for being on a live stream with me. Okay, otherwise you're going to pay $2K. Make sure you enter that coupon code. All right, guys, now let's get to I want to get to the lessons of the day here. Let's get to the charts. I got a lot of stuff I want to break down for you. All right, so without any further ado, I'm going to share with you guys my charting software, and let's now get to the lessons of the day. All right, guys, let's see. What do I want to start with first? Let's go with RHE first. Guys, I'm going to fly through this because then I want to share with you a video clip from a prior live stream where we talked about a very specific trade setup in Peloton. I'm going to show you guys it in just a moment. Let's start with RHE. Follow me now. We're going to talk about proper stop loss placement. This was an absolute monster home run trade for us today. Okay, but we got to talk about proper stop loss placement. Okay, now RHE pops up on my screen right there. right there, we shot right through the high of the day and we halted. The stock halted right there. That little dash, that's a halt. Okay. So I came on the microphone at that time and I told all of our members, guys, okay, RHE has just broken above yesterday's high with the heaviest volume of the day and has halted. Now, you have a gap to fill. Okay, you have a gap to fill right here. Here's your gap. Okay, there's your gap. And I said, guys, if we get over yesterday's high, that puts us into the gap. Then you look for that gap to be filled. Okay, so coming out of that, let me zoom this in. Okay, coming out of this halt, you'll see all of a sudden that we start to hold support. Okay, you'll see that we start to hold support right here. All right, let's draw out our Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay, we draw out our Fibonacci retracement levels at the time when I entered this trade. And now here we have it. Okay, so now on this pullback right in here, guys, is where I go ahead and I get long RHE. Okay, let's see here. Where's my exact timestamp for you guys? 9:53 a.m. long at 1272. Okay, 1272 right there inside of that candle. Okay, there we are. 1272. We're long. Okay, we then push up. We go right up into to fill that gap. And we fill that gap. I take a piece of profit off the table at 1378. Okay, took some off there at 1378. All right, took another piece of profit off because it looked like we were really struggling at 14. So I took 25 and 25% off at 1378 and 1360, down to 50% of my position. The stop loss on this trade was $12. So the trade alert that came out in chat today when I told everybody, oh, guys, I'm long RHE at 1272, stop loss around $12. Where did I get the $12 from? That's what we have to talk about. Where do you set stop losses? Okay. You have to set your stop loss, okay, based on where is the support level? Where is the support level that if it gets broken, the setup that you're trading no longer exists? That's where your stop loss needs to be set, just beneath that level. Too many people set their stop loss in a random arbitrary place. They go, oh, I'm going to buy the stock. I'm going to set my stop loss at 5%. What's 5%? Where did that number come from? It's a made-up arbitrary number you're picking out of thin air. That is not the way to set stop losses. That's because someone that doesn't know how to trade told you that you should just buy whatever you're going to buy of a stock and set your stop loss at 5% or 6%. That is nonsense. Whoever told you that, give them my number. Tell them that they have no idea what they're talking about and they shouldn't be trading. The proper way to set stop losses is based on the pattern you are trading. Where's the level that if broken, okay, the setup is no more? I don't care if that's 2%, 5%, 8%, or 10% away. Your stop loss needs to go where it belongs. Every stock has different levels of volatility, therefore different risk and therefore different reward. Now, you can't set your stop loss at 5% if the support level is 7% away. I have no problem risking 7% if my upside potential is 20. I have no problem risking 10% if my upside potential is 30. It's called risk reward. The more volatile the stock, the further away your stop loss is most likely going to be because that's how far and how fast the stock is moving. Okay? So your stop loss needs to go where it belongs based on the pattern. Now, as we look at this RHE, we get to go back here and what do we have? Yesterday's high. Yesterday's high, guys, is what this is all. Oops, I didn't mean to draw that drawing tool. Yesterday's high is what this is all about. Okay. And at the time that I entered this trade, okay, which is right here, I had your 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level line up dead even with yesterday's high. Then you had your trade line and your VWAP indicators sitting underneath me. So now that's not one, not two, not three, but four support indicators all lining up around 1220, 1225. So that's why. Now, did I say my stop loss was 1220? No. The support level might be 1220. So my stop loss needs to be below 1220, which is why I said my stop loss was the $12 area. And boy, was it good. It was the $12 area and not 1220, because on this pullback, we pulled back right into what? An area of support. This is the support level. Yesterday's high, 38.2 fib level. And guess how far we went down? 1207. 1207 are the lows of these candles. And I'm sitting real nice and pretty. Okay, sitting real nice and pretty with my stop loss right there. Now, inexperienced traders would set their stop loss right there. And they would get stopped out. They would get stopped out, and then they'd have to watch RHE do that without them. Well, RHE didn't do that without us. We rode this thing into the ground. Absolute monster trade. We start peeling profits off at $14.30, $15.15, and a final take profit at $17.05. And I still left a ton on the table. Look at that move. Look at that move. And I still left money on the table because it went all the way to 27. But if you are not using proper stop loss placement, you are getting stopped out right here on this pullback. You are getting stopped out right there. Okay. Yes, these lines, yes, sat side, these lines, so your Fibonacci levels aren't going to move. Yesterday's high is not going to move, but the trade line and your VWAP indicators will move. At the time of entry is what you need to be looking at. At the time of entry, okay, VWAP, trade line, they all lined up perfectly right above $12. So at the time of entry, that's when you're deciding where your stop loss is. I have the previous day's high. I've got the 38.2 Fibonacci level. I've got VWAP. I've got trade line. 4 support indicators all lining up around 1220. Okay? That's why my stop loss was $12 area. We pulled back to 1207, and then we mooned right to the sky. That's a lesson I want you guys to take away from this. Proper stop loss placement. You guys have to make sure your stop losses are in the right place. In order for them to be in the right place, you have to have an understanding of technical analysis to say, this is my support level. The only way you're going to have the ability to say, this is my support level, is to have a professional education on how to use technical analysis properly, how to understand how all of these different indicators work in conjunction with one another. That is what you're going to learn as a member of True Trading Group. That's what I was taught. That's what I teach all my members. That's why so many of them were able to crush RHE. Because of that exact lesson. Stop getting stopped out early and missing these moves. Start being in them. This is how you do it. Congrats to all my members, guys, on hitting this trade. It was an absolute thing of beauty today. Absolute thing of beauty. Next, real quick, NMRD. We'll talk about this one real quick, guys. This is an afternoon TTG triangle. All right. Guys, there's an entire course. Okay, that teaches you this pattern on our website. There's your previous high of the day. We consolidate during lunchtime on really low volume. We break through the high of the day, okay, coming out of, oh, no, I'm sorry, this is during lunchtime. So we break through the high of the day during lunchtime. I don't like lunchtime breakouts unless what, fam? My TC fam knows this. Ready? My TC family members. I don't like lunchtime breakouts unless fill in the blank. It's the blank, 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 blank. My TC fam, I'll let you guys fill in the blanks for me. All right? So, guys, I do not like lunchtime breakouts unless it is accompanied by, there it is, there's my TT fam, the heaviest volume of the day. And there you have the heaviest volume of, look at my members answering these questions. That's what education looks like. Look at everybody, all of them getting the question correctly. If you didn't know the answer to that question, don't sweat it. I didn't expect you to, because you're not yet a member of True Training Group. But now you're seeing all my teaching members have the education to answer that question correctly. That's why we were able to identify NMRD as an A+ setup. Heaviest volume of the day on the break through that high. Then what? Decreasing volume on the pullback. Okay? Heaviest volume. Oops, wrong tool. Heaviest volume of the day on the break. Decreasing volume on the pullback. That creates your downtrend resistance line that forms the TTG triangle. And I got long right. Oops, that's too big. I got long NMRD right there at $9.02. And then it was boom time. Okay, this is an afternoon TTG triangle. We then broke out of the triangle, and then you see volume starts to pick up again as the stock makes its move to new highs. And now after hours, don't look now, after hours, we're all the way up over $13. We talked about this having squeeze potential after hours. I wasn't trading it after hours, but any of my members, I think there are a couple of you that are still trading this. Congratulations, guys, on NMRD. Guys, this pattern is an afternoon TTG triangle. There's an entire course in our curriculum that teaches you this exact same pattern. All right. Congratulations, guys, on NMRD. Now for the fun one. Peloton, baby. Now, guys, listen to me carefully. If you've been following my live stream for a while, I've been talking about a short on Peloton for 2 weeks. I entered a swing trade on Peloton on April 23rd, where I shorted the stock itself at $100.90. On that same day, this is what I do with all of my trade alerts. I understand that when I short a stock like Peloton or Tesla or Roku, there are a lot of members that have small accounts that don't have the capital to short a stock like Peloton. So whenever I trade a large cap, I always alert, along with my entries on the stock, I also alert an option that members could buy to follow along with my trade. So when I shorted Peloton at $100.90, I told members, you could buy, if you want to follow the trade, the May 21st expiration $100 strike put option on Peloton. At the time of that trade on April 23rd, those contracts were trading between $7 and $7.50. And most of my members bought those contracts within that 50-cent range. Today, those contracts hit $20. That is a 167% gain. I took my final profits off the table today at 80. Let me see. Give you where's my exact fill? I'll give you guys my exact fill. Where are we? Let's see. 12 o'clock. Looking for my fill, guys. 81.87. Final take profit for me, 81.87. At that time, those contracts were at $20 a contract, a 167% gain. My TTG fam, if you guys made money on that Peloton swing trade, I want you to sound off in chat right now. Tell me how much you pulled out on those options. Congratulations to all of you for nailing that Peloton trade and having the patience to hold that for as long as we did, entering that trade on April 23rd. What I want to do with you guys all right now is I actually have a short clip. It's about 3 to 4 minutes long, okay, that we're going to play for you. This is from my live stream on April 21st. April 21st, I did a live stream, and I told everybody for free, I told everybody, guys, this is the setup that I see in Peloton. Okay, this is a swing trade setup that I'm going to be taking. Here's my game plan. This is where I'm going to short it. This is where I think Peloton's going to go. These are the reasons why. I'm going to play this clip for you from April 21st so you guys can see for yourselves the analysis that went into this trade for us to make this call 2 weeks ago and then benefit from it like we did on the swing trade today. So guys, let's go ahead right now and let's play that clip, Adam. Let's now go over to swing trade idea number 2. Peloton. I really like this setup. I really like this setup on Peloton. Okay, let's go over this setup. What I see here on Peloton is a head and shoulders pattern coupled with a death cross, coupled with a MACD signal line crossover. If you don't know what a death cross is, it's when the 50-day moving average crosses underneath the 200-day moving average. If you don't know what a MACD signal line crossover is, it's all explained in grave detail inside of the TTG courses. Okay? But all three of those things, the head and shoulders, the death cross, the MACD signal line crossover, are all bearish signals. What else is going on in Peloton? Negative headlines about the unfortunate incident where the toddler was killed on one of their treadmills. This is becoming a reoccurring issue with their treadmill. So you've got negative press. That's another bearish catalyst. What else do you have? The reopening trade, right? The reopening trade. How many people are going to buy Pelotons versus how many people are just going to be excited to just go to a gym or go to a yoga class or a CrossFit gym or want to just get out and work out with other people rather than working out at home by themselves? You have a lot of things working against Peloton right now. A lot of things that could signal Peloton is going to be moving lower. Okay? A lot of things where you could be moving lower. All right? Let's talk about the setup. Okay, let's talk about the setup. First, let's talk about the head and shoulders. Okay, the head and shoulders pattern, I will draw out for you right now, in case you guys could not see it. There's your left shoulder. There's your head. Okay, here's your right shoulder. And here is your neckline. The way the head and shoulder patterns work is when this neckline breaks, a new downtrend should ensue. A key component of a head and shoulders pattern is that head and shoulders will form at the top of an uptrend. Okay? This is a very important part of a head and shoulders pattern. Head and shoulders form at the top of uptrends. Well, it's very clear. There's your uptrend in Peloton. What I'm looking for out of Peloton. Now listen, Peloton's gotten beaten up these last couple days. It's gotten beaten up. Stock's dropped $18 in just the last 3 days. I'm not shorting it right now. What I'm looking for on Peloton is for Peloton to bounce off the neckline. Bounce off the neckline. A bounce off that neckline is your opportunity to get short. Okay? A bounce off that neckline is your chance to get short. Then you look for that neckline to break. And if that neckline breaks, I'm looking for a move to $80 on Peloton. $80, that previous support level that you see right there. I'm looking for a move to $80. And there you have it, folks. There it is. All right. There you have it. That video clip is from April 21st. And we went ahead and absolutely crushed this Peloton trade. That neckline broke. And we are now sitting at $81.27. And we've got earnings coming out with the company tomorrow. I covered that position today at $81.87. My members got out of their put options anywhere from 150, 160, 220, 168, 90% gain on those options. Congratulations to the entire TTG fam for absolutely crushing this trade. I'm proud of all you guys. Okay? I'm proud of all you guys. All right? So, guys, you got to stop you got to stop missing these opportunities. It's one thing for me to come on YouTube, a week and a half before a stock does what I think it's going to do and tell you what I think that stock's going to do and tell you what I'm going to do and how do I plan on making money from this move. But it's another to be in chat with me every single day so I can walk you through that trade step by step. There were plenty of days during this trade where Peloton looked like it was going to move higher. And I came on the microphone. I told everybody, guys, it still looks good. Don't sweat it. The pattern is still intact, where otherwise, if you're on your own, you might be stopping out of these trades. You might get shaken out of these trades. But I'm sitting there walking you guys through these trades on a daily basis inside of chat. Okay, you guys I'm on the microphone talking to you in real time, just like I'm talking to you guys all here right now. Get your butts in chat. Use that coupon code TTG121 to get that 40% discount. Guys, listen, it's my goal on all these live streams to make sure that you get value from these. And I mean, man, if you took the Peloton trade when I told you guys about it, April 21st, man, are you getting value from these live streams? But I want to know about tonight. If you got value from tonight's live stream, I want you to go ahead right now and type the number 1 in chat. Go ahead, guys. If you got value, type the number 1 in chat right now. There we go. Look at all those number 1s. Beautiful. I love it. I love it. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Make sure you guys smash that like button, man. If you guys are getting value from all these live streams, I want you guys right now to go ahead and smash that like button for me. Now, listen, if you're not a member of True Trading Group, I want to know. So type the letters TTG in chat right now if you're not a member of True Trading Group. All right, we got Vicious Vixen, we got Tyrone McLean, Jay Sousa, we got DD Jack, we got Cody Lee, says not yet but soon. Ready when you are, Cody. We got Mandy, we got Katie, we got Michael Batts, Anthony Russo, SV, Drift King Canada, your mom's account, Youssef, Mark Allen. Excellent, guys. Excellent. Mandy says, not yet, but looking forward to the day. And Mandy, I'm looking forward to it too. Whenever you're ready, I'm ready. I am ready when you are. Looking forward to trading with you. Guys, listen, all of you type the letters TTG in chat. You got to realize no one's going to do the work that's needed for you to become a profitable trader and for you to achieve your goals. No one's going to do that work for you. Trading is not a get-rich-quick team. You've got to be willing to put in a little bit of effort. But that all starts with getting the right education, having access to the right tools, and community that's going to help you to learn, trade, and profit. That's what True Trading Group is all about. Okay. The membership normally costs $2,212, but from now until midnight is your last chance to save 40% and get the price down to just $1,312 and to get a free Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablet while supplies last. I think there's only like 30 of them left. Guys, we even cover the shipping. 22 left. There's 22 left. All right. There's 22 Kindles left. They're first come, first serve, guys. All right. You pay that one price, $13.12, and you never pay another dollar for the year. You get access to every single thing we have, all of our courses, all of our tools, our resources, our video library, our simulator, our news feed. Okay. Our level 2, our options data, our scanner, our simulator. You guys get our video library, all of our courses, you name it. You get access to it for that one price. Lock in that price now, guys. TTG 121. All right. I want you guys to think of us as the Netflix of trading communities. All right. Because when Netflix comes out with a new documentary, they don't charge you more money to watch it. Same thing with us. When we add a new feature or we add a new course, like we're adding a new crypto course here soon, that's not going to cost members extra money. It's included with their membership. Okay. As a member of TTG, you guys get access to the top premium trading tools and resources because we bundle them all together as part of your TTG membership. Included in your membership is Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. This is directly inside of our chat room. It gives you breaking live to the second news alerts. I can't tell you how much money this has saved me and how much money this has made me by getting news like that. In this environment, the trader that gets the news first wins. This is an invaluable service that myself and my moderators and my entire TTG fam use on a daily basis. You also get access to Quote Stream's real-time level 1 and full book level 2. Okay. That comes all part of a trade simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money while you practice implementing what you have learned in the courses. Use the simulator. It is there for you. Prove to yourself you can make money on the sim before you start trading your hard-earned cash. You also get access to a trade idea scanner. This shows you stocks making new highs, your top gainers, volume. This really will show you what are the best stocks for you to trade today that gives you the best chance to make money. All of this is included with your membership. You also get TradingView's Pro charting software, one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders today. Yours, free. Guys, you don't pay another dollar for any of this stuff. It is included with your membership. Then you're getting at least minimum 10 easy to follow, actionable, real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders currently sporting over an 83% win rate. We're fully transparent in TTG. Okay. We keep a trading journal on our site that literally tracks every single buy and every single sell that all of our moderators make. So you can track all of our performance. It's right there on the website for you to see. Then you're getting access to one small private study group with a TTG moderator. This is your chance to ask questions, go over topics and lessons that you need help with. Then the curriculum. Guys, there are no VIP Pro special courses that cost you more money. You get access to the entire curriculum as a member. 15 courses, beginner and foundation courses. There's advanced courses, option courses, trader psychology courses, swing trading courses, how to trade in a down market. There's even a course that shows you how to do your taxes. All the courses come in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. Then you have a video library that has over 100 hours of additional educational video content. These are workshops and webinars that myself and the moderators have conducted covering different topics like how to grow a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO and have confidence pulling the trigger. You don't pay extra for any of this. This is all included. You guys have access to our daily trading chat room where I share my screen, our moderators share their screen. We're live on the microphone, calling out our trades in advance all day long. Guys, to give you an idea of the value you're getting with this coupon code, because you can sign up right now for $1,312. That's what you can sign up for right now with the coupon code TGD121. But whether you sign up to True Trading Group or not, you're going to need a few things to trade. Well, let's say you want that Benzinga newsfeed. Benzinga charges $1,188 a year for that service. QuoteStream, they charge $990 a year for the full book level 2. Our trade simulator costs $750 a year from ETNA. And TradingView charges $720 a year for their charting software. Those 4 services would cost you $3,648 a year if you bought them on your own. They are all included at no additional cost when you join True Trading Group with coupon code TTG121 and pay only $1,312. This is the value you are getting in a membership of True Trading Group. Guys, our price is going up at midnight. It will continue to go up every single day until we move our price up to $2,500. Do not wait for Memorial Day weekend. The price will not be cheaper. Use coupon code TTG121 right now before the price goes up. Secure that $13.12 price point. Also, when you secure the $13.12 price point, you're securing that for life. So next year, when our membership is $2,500 and it comes time for your membership to renew, you will only pay $13.12. So you will pay to renew the price you pay today. So you're saving a ton of money now. You're going to save a hell of a lot more money next year. And how do I know you're going to want to renew your membership? Well, that's because 82% of our members have gone on to become profitable traders. And if you're making money, why the hell not would you want to renew? This isn't a sale or a gimmick, guys. Okay, we will be up to $2,500 before you know it. My TTD fam, what do you guys think a membership to True Trading Group is worth? Guys, my TGD fam, sound off, comment in chat right now what you think a membership is worth. You want to talk about value? What do you guys think the value of a TGD membership is? Sound off in chat right now, guys. Gaines SFI says 5K. Red Hand, worth it by a mile. Easily about 5,500. Lynn, priceless. Red Hand, 10K. Ronnie, 10K. 7,000 says O'Neil Armstrong. Priceless says Richard. 5K says Tanya. Sailor Princess says priceless. Chris says 5,000. Deb says at least 10K. Daryl says 5 to 8K. 10 to 15K says Russell Coaster. Priceless says my boy Ressi. Priceless says Jose Roldan. H. Howard says 2,500. Chuck Lutz says, I paid 20K for school and this is better. Mark Allen says 10K easy. 10K easy says Canyon Ridge. 7K says V Wolf. Vin PM says, yo, don't tell Mike. He might change the price to 10K. What do you care? You're a member already, right? Guys, this is what I'm talking about the value you get access to as a member of True Trading Group, guys. Okay. Guys, we give back to all of our members. Every time we get 300 new members, we raffle off a Tesla or 30 grand. All you got to do is be a member and you can register for that giveaway. That's it. Be a member and you have a chance to win 30 grand or a Tesla. I think we're already 50% of the way there for our next giveaway. So within the month of May, we will be giving away another Tesla or 30,000. Well, I shouldn't say another Tesla because no one's taken the car yet. Everyone's taken the $30,000. But here in the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be giving away 30 grand or a Tesla to one lucky teaching member. It could be you. All right. It could be you. So guys, don't forget TTG 121. Get the 40% discount. You're going to get a free Amazon Kindle. There's 22 of them left. Okay. You will know that you're going to get a Kindle because on the checkout page, oh my God, on the checkout page, you will see a Kindle. Okay. If we still have them. Once they're out of stock, the Kindle will no longer be in your checkout page. Okay. It'll no longer be in your checkout. All right. That's how you guys will know that you're going to get a free Kindle. Again, you have to enter the coupon code THD121 and click apply code. Otherwise, the price is not going to go down. You're going to pay $2 grand. Don't do that. Use the coupon code, pay $13.12. Okay. And guys, again, the money back guarantee. What do you have to lose? I'm literally sitting here telling you, I'm guaranteeing your membership. I'm telling you that I'm so confident this can and will work for you with just a little bit of effort. That if you go through all our courses, pass all our quizzes, and attend a private study group, do those 3 things. If you don't make $13.12 back one time during your membership, I'll give it back to you. Dead serious, full refund. Everything I'm saying to you is on the website. Go check it out. It's on the website for you guys to see. All right. And then for those, last but not least, if you're still unsure, we do have a 7-day trial. It's a 1-week trial. Okay. We do have a 1-week trial. You get access to 3 sample courses. You get access to our chat room. You get access to our Benzinga news feed, our analyst reports, our trade ideas scanner. Really get a feel for what it's like to be part of the TTG community. For that, go to ttgthree.com. It's a one-time, non-recurring payment of $3. Yes, $3. That's it. It's less than what I paid for this Starbucks coffee. This live stream brought to you by Starbucks. No. Everybody's got $3. I guarantee it'll be the best $3 that you've ever spent. Okay. So for that, go to ttgthree.com to sign up for that 7-day trial. If you do not manually upgrade to a full membership, after your trial is over, it just cancels. You're never charged anything ever again. Okay. Now, listen, you're not going to get the $13.12 price point. You're not going to get that big discount, and you're not going to get the free Amazon Kindle. But if you want to try us out for a week, you can do so by going to ttgthree.com. If you're ready now to get a real education and to do this, use that coupon code, get the 40% discount, and get yourself a free Amazon Kindle in the meantime. Thanks for joining me, guys. Subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, and of course, smash that like button and get your butts in chat. We're on fire. We're looking to finish the week off strong. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow.